Living in Loves Park, Illinois, offers the charm of suburban life, but with that comes the occasional challenge of noise from nearby roads, neighbors, or even busy commercial areas. Whether it's the sounds of traffic, lawnmowers, or everyday street noise, unwanted sound intrusion can disrupt your peace and quiet. One of the most effective ways to combat this issue is through window replacement. High-quality, modern windows can significantly reduce noise levels, turning your home into a more peaceful sanctuary. Here's how window replacement can make a big difference in noise reduction for Loves Park homeowners. The role of window construction in soundproofing. Traditional windows, particularly older single-pane models, are not designed to block sound effectively. These windows are thin and don't provide much insulation against outside noise. As a result, sound waves can easily travel through the glass and frames, making your home feel noisy and less comfortable, especially if it's near a busy street or highway. When you replace old windows with modern, energy-efficient models, you improve your home's noise insulation significantly. New windows are typically designed with advanced construction methods, including double or triple glazing, to help block external sounds. These multi-pane windows have layers of glass separated by air or gas-filled spaces, which act as barriers that dampen sound vibrations. The thicker the glass and the more layers, the more effectively the window will block noise, creating a quieter environment inside your home. Double and triple pane windows. A major upgrade for noise reduction. Double and triple pane windows are among the most effective window types for noise reduction. These windows have 2 or 3 panes of glass, with air or gas trapped between them. This additional layer of insulation helps reduce the transmission of sound from the outside, making a noticeable difference in how much noise enters your home. In particular, triple-pane windows are highly effective for noise reduction because they offer an extra layer of soundproofing compared to double-pane windows. For homeowners in Loves Park who are concerned about traffic noise, train sounds, or other urban disturbances, upgrading to triple-pane windows can provide a significant improvement in your home's acoustics. The combination of thicker glass and the gas-filled space between panes reduces the ability of sound waves to pass through, giving you a much quieter living space. Laminated glass for additional soundproofing. Laminated glass is another excellent option for reducing noise in your home. This type of glass consists of 2 or more panes of glass with a layer of sound-dampening plastic sandwiched in between. The plastic layer acts as a sound barrier, absorbing vibrations and preventing them from entering your home. Laminated glass windows are highly effective in blocking out high-frequency noises, such as traffic or voices. They're also more resistant to shattering, adding an extra layer of security to your home. For those who live near noisy streets, schools, or commercial areas, laminated glass can make a big difference in the overall comfort and peace inside your home. Weather stripping and proper sealing for noise prevention. While the type of glass you choose for your windows is important for noise reduction, proper sealing and weather stripping also play a critical role in keeping noise out. Even the best quality windows can still allow noise to seep through if there are gaps or leaks around the frame. These gaps can let in both drafts and sound waves, undermining the effectiveness of your new windows. During window replacement, make sure the installation is done properly, with attention to sealing the frames tightly. High-quality weather stripping ensures that no air or sound escapes through the edges of the window. The tighter the seal, the less chance sound has to enter your home, which is essential for optimal noise reduction. Working with a professional installer will ensure that your windows are sealed properly, preventing gaps and improving both energy efficiency and noise insulation. Improved quality of life with reduced noise. The impact of window replacement on noise reduction goes beyond just the technical benefits. It greatly improves your quality of life. Constant exposure to loud noises can increase stress levels, disrupt sleep, and even affect your health over time. For residents of Loves Park, replacing old windows with noise-reducing models can create a more peaceful and restful environment at home. Whether you work from home, have small children, or simply enjoy peace and quiet, soundproof windows provide a serene atmosphere that enhances your overall well-being. With less noise coming from the outside, you can relax, concentrate better, and sleep more soundly. Increased home value and appeal. Homebuyers today are looking for homes that offer comfort, energy efficiency, and peace of mind. Noise reduction is an important factor in creating a comfortable living space, and homes equipped with high-quality, noise-reducing windows tend to have greater appeal. If you're considering selling your home in the future, window replacement is an investment that can increase your home's resale value. New windows not only improve energy efficiency but also make your home more appealing to buyers who value a quiet, comfortable living environment. Whether your home is near a busy street or a noisy neighborhood, the addition of noise-reducing windows can be a major selling point. Long-term savings and benefits. In addition to improving comfort, reducing noise, and increasing your home's value, new windows can also lead to long-term savings. Noise-reducing windows, particularly those with energy-efficient properties, can lower your utility bills by preventing heat loss and reducing the need for constant heating or cooling. Over time, the energy savings combined with the added comfort and noise reduction make window replacement a worthwhile investment for Loves Park homeowners. Conclusion. Window replacement is a highly effective way to improve noise reduction in your home, making it a quieter, more peaceful place to live. By opting for double or triple pane windows, laminated glass, and proper sealing, you can significantly reduce the impact of external noise in your home. Whether you're living near a busy street or just want to enjoy a more tranquil living environment, replacing old, inefficient windows with modern, noise-reducing models can enhance your overall quality of life. With the added benefits of energy efficiency and increased home value, window replacement is a smart investment for homeowners in Loves Park.